Where we pack the ore to be populated. If the board is set, we do the settings on the computer here. Now, just choose the file and then select the program for this printer. When the program is selected, it goes through the printer and you got a stencil there. That is where the paste is penned. Okay. Now, this is how the board. Now, I don't know what I'm trying to do, but this is how it is penned on the board. Okay. When the paste is penned, it comes out of the printer. Takes about 1 minute to come out. Waiting for it. It's going to come out. Inspection is done here. Yeah. See whether the board is okay to go through the surface mount equipment. All that is doing, this machine is concentrating on a smaller part. So, after accumulating the board with the smaller part, we will give it to the bigger machine, and the bigger machine tends to concentrate on the bigger part. Tells you that the component is same from the real. These are the real. The board is being populated. And if you look at it closely, I don't know what you can see. Because I can't, this machine is being controlled by sensors, so I cannot open it. If I open it, it won't stop. Yes, alright. Now, after that very board is made or populated, it will come out of this machine and being inspected in the middle. Sorry, it will pass into the bigger machine. It will go there now. Carry part into the resolve. So the board is still being populated. This is the second one. Now, like I was saying, you've got two major heads, and on each head you've got 16 tower heads, or 16 nozzles. So you've got, basically you've got 32 heads here, which is the biggest vacuum machine. Alright. Now, this is bigger components. Populating it with bigger components. Yes, Alright, so when the bigger surface is passed, this is for one head with also about 16 thorough heads. 25. Selecting nozzle, because you got different components there with a different pickup point, so we use different nozzle to pick those components. So after placing a set of components, what you have to do to go back and select a different nozzle. So I will show you how the nozzle is selected now after placing this component. Yeah, it's selecting this nozzle now. Yeah, okay. Done. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this board out from the machine and see if all the components are on. By pressing either start or continue. So I will press continue. See the board is coming out? Alright. Now, I just want to make sure that I've got all the components. I can use the magnifier. I don't know whether you can see it properly. But yeah, just to make sure that we don't push this. Okay. All that I have to do is to let it go through the oven. Alright, so I'm inspecting it now. I think I might have to push that very one there. This very one oven now. Okay? So I press continue again. There you go. Yeah, another one comes out. Now the oven is divided into sections. This side is the flip roll, where the heat is a bit different from the middle. So it goes through the oven, and it's got the settings of the oven. So this side is where the heat is very intense. That is where the paste is rolled. After the paste is rolled, it comes to the cooling section. So after it's been cooled, it comes out of the oven like this. So this is a fully populated rolled board. So when I touch it, the components are there. Yeah, nothing will come out. Yeah. So this is a fully prepared board. Okay. Alright. So now this board is now ready for inspection. Another one is coming. The one that we So yeah, that is now populated. All we have to do is send that. I think it will start going. Another one engages the sensor here. This one engages the sensor. If this board engages the sensor, that one will start moving. Let's see. Okay, yes, moving. Yeah, that's it. Put properly. What we do, we use a heat gun
here and put my head in it. Stops. Alright. Have you got any question at all?
What if it doesn't stop?
Or if it doesn't stop, then you just chop my head off. It's more professional questions, not all these your junk questions.
How much current is the detectors consuming whilst fully open and or when closed?
Yeah, when it's fully closed, it's consuming around 250 milliamps, and when it's fully open, it's just consuming around 100 milliamps.
So it draws more when it's closed?
It draws more when it's fully closed. I mean, it will depend on the which configuration. Yeah, it's either normally closed. If a unit is normally closed, then that means you need current to drive it open because normally it's closed. So when it's normally closed, that means you will have a sort of, let's just 100 milliamps being drawn when it's normally closed. But when it's normally open unit, that means you expect it to open all the time. So when you close it, you need more current too.